What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of 4C Trading TV where we discuss all things cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. I am your host Ben from 4C Trading, and today we're gonna take a deeper look at the FTX exchange and the new 4C Smart Margin. Before we get started, please share this video and tell us in the comment section just below what do you look for when deciding on an exchange to trade on. Is it reputation or perhaps security or the volume or even the type of crypto assets that the exchange offer? Well, regardless of what matters to you most, we want to hear from you. You might have heard by now that 4C Trading has recently launched the new SMART Bots, BTC, ETH and LINK, and each of our subscription packs come with the Smart Margin. Yes, the much appreciated 4C Smart Bots are finally here. And what's even more exciting is that all the Smart Bots have displayed phenomenal results. For example, in the past 6 months, Smart BTC made 31.26% during a time when BTC was trading sideways. Smart ETH made 174%, while Smart LINK made 473.53%. For those of you who have been following our signals, we haven't forgotten about you. You can now follow the 4C Smart Margin that's available in all the subscriptions pack. So our Smart Margin provides signals on Binance Futures and FTX. So you may be familiar with Binance Futures, but what about FTX? So how can you benefit when you trade on this cryptocurrency derivative exchange? That's the question. Well, here are 6 key benefits of trading on FTX. At the place number 6, backed by a strong reputation. So FTX is developed by the famous Alameda Research Group, a quantitative trading firm that trades up to $1 billion per day and manage over 100 million in digital assets. Within the space of a year, Alameda has become the largest liquidity provider and market maker in the space. It counts for 15% of global stablecoin volume and is ranked 4th on the BitMEX leadership. With FTX, the team strive to build a platform that is powerful enough for professional traders and intuitive for first-time users. At the place number 5, we have the high liquidity. So given a strong backing, it is not surprised that FTX has a high level of liquidity since day 1 of its launch. In fact, it already has more liquidity than every other future exchange in crypto. Only the BitMEX BTC perpetual future are more liquid than the FTX equivalent. This is really hard to replicate. No new exchanges will be able to do so, and those around for 5 years have only succeeded in doing so for a single contract. Number 4, no KYC needed below 1,000 USD. So FTX aims to simplify the process of getting you started on the platform. This means no KYC is needed for 1,000 USD or less. For the tier number 1 KYC, it allows for a daily withdrawal of up to $2,000, and if you are a high roller, well, there is the tier 2 KYC that allows for unlimited crypto withdrawals. Number 3, the competitive trading fees. FTX offers extremely low trading fees compared with other crypto trading platforms. FTX fees for future and spot are based on a tiered structure according to your trading volume. This means the more you trade, well, the lower your trading fees you will pay. Talk about getting rewarded for trading more. Number 2, well, no deposit and withdrawal fees. Yes, you hear it right. There is no deposit or withdrawal fees on FTX. There is also no additional fee for OTC trading or converting into your exchange wallet. On top of this, FTX accepts payment in USD, TRY, OAT, GBD, Euro and HKD, along with the most other stablecoins, of course. They also have their own OTC desk so traders can convert the cryptocurrency to fiat currency for withdrawal. And the number 1 is that they support over 30 cryptocurrencies. This is possibly one of FTX's most desirable features. You have no lack of crypto assets to choose from. The exchange supports over 30 cryptocurrencies. It also offers trading for several indices like EXCH, comprised of several exchange tokens by using the weighted average of price for BNB, HT, OKB, and Leo. So, excited about getting started on FTX? Follow the 4C-Trading Smart Margin signal on FTX by clicking on the link below, right here. You don't have a 4C-Trading subscription? We invite you to sign up for a free trial by clicking on the link just above. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button below to receive your latest cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies content from 4C-Trading. This is Ben, signing out for now. Till next time, family, enjoy the rest of your week.